Want to know projects you can do this weekend to make your home worth more? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph, and I'm a listing agent on the Main Line, PA, and I specialize in helping sellers get the most from their homes, and curb appeal is a great way to make more without spending a lot of money. So many times the renovations sellers think are going to make them more money, rarely they can recoup. There are some easy projects that you can do in a weekend over the summer or have your landscapers perform to add value to your home. First, repaint your house. This really does add value and it recoups 90% while costing under $5,000 depending on the size of the house. Second is landscaping. This can be a real joy, and the gardens on the Main Line can be truly breathtaking. So consult a landscape architect or a contractor or both just to see what can be done with your lawn, and especially in the front walkways. Walkway and solar lighting add lots of curb appeal, and they do not have to be costly if you're using the right materials. So if you're thinking of selling this summer, consider hiring a landscaping company to neaten your yard without the consultation of the specialists. Third, upgrade your windows, preferably to double pane to ROI. Window upgrades generally recoup 100%, and being energy efficient in the hotter months is a very obvious selling point. So a renovation like this runs generally $4,000 to $6,000, but it could be a lot more depending on the size of your home. Fourth is build a fire pit. The fire pit and the conversation nook / outdoor living room is incredibly popular right now. And this can be a really great selling point, especially in the summer months into the fall. And this would be a surprise how affordable this can be to set up and maintain as well. So constructing a fire pit can be anywhere from $100 to $1,000, and you can easily do it yourself. And depending on the materials and the outdoor furniture, also it varies widely, but can be very, very affordable. Fifth is updating your front door. The front door is your first impression, so don't let it be the last impression. A fresh coat of paint, a new doorknob, fresh mat are a welcome sign to the buyers. So if you're considering selling your home this summer, reach out and let's figure out the best strategies to get the most for your home. We are at a very limited supply on the Main Line right now, and I am seeing values anywhere from 20 to 30% higher than last year. So are you curious what your home is worth? Let's talk. Kimmy Rolph sells the Main Line and local areas.